Mike here from the Traveling Cookies, and today we are in Universal Studios Orlando, Florida. We're going to show you what's going on today.
Grandpa. So this right here is an area that you can actually go to. If you have one of the My Universal photos, I'll get the exact numbers to you, but they have it for 1 day, 3 days, the pass. But in here you can actually go, I believe you could take 8 pictures at once. They change monthly. It will show a couple pictures that we took here on the screen. But it's really cool if you're here and you have the My Universal Photo Pass. So if you have it even for a day, come here and get this done. Hey, Bart!
Coming soon to Universal Studios Orlando, Florida. Jurassic World tribute store. This is going to be a tribute store that's going to be one for the books. We're both very excited. We're both huge fans of Jurassic Park. And we can't even imagine what they're going to do to make this store look as incredible as we know it's going to be.
A heads up, this store is in Universal Studios. It's not in Islands of Adventure. So all of the Jurassic Park, the Jurassic World ride, the Velocicoaster, that's in Islands of Adventure. This tribute store is in the other park, from where all the other tribute stores are. You go straight down past Rip Ride Rocket, and you turn to head towards New York, and you'll see it on the corner.
Right diagonal from Jimmy Fallon's, right across from the park in New York. We just did a virtual line for the Jimmy Fallon ride. And we're excited. We've only done this like one time, I think.
Yeah, and every time we do a ride, we see something new. So it's always cool to do it a couple times.
Here in the NBC studio. You got the Johnny Carson show. You got all his suits, all the props that they use.
Jimmy, I bet you can't toss the hot dog from the dress when you're big as well. It's a weird suggestion. We've had it before. Everyone knows I never turn down a bet. So here goes nothing.
Something that's cool about this queue is if you look, it shows what TV was available at the time of each hosting. So here you can see an older, bigger screen. Jimmy Fallon has the flat screen. If you go 1957, this TV, he took over in 1957. Look at this TV.
All right, so we just did Jimmy Fallon, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I liked it the second time.
I have to say, you know, we're from that area, so seeing New York like that is pretty cool. And there's a lot of things that Jimmy Fallon says that are common to people that are from the tri-state area, so it's pretty funny to see it in the ride.
It's definitely a good ride to do. I would advise that if you do have motion sickness, it does get you a little, your equilibrium kind of gets thrown off a little bit. So just be advised of that. Other than that, I would definitely recommend riding it. And this ride, by the way, a lot of the times ends up being virtual, so you need to make sure that you have your Universal app so you can get your reservation to get onto the ride.
Left at home and a bunch of bathers basking at their knees. I prefer the dairy maiden on her native loam, in the land where grows the cabbages and peas.